Welcome to another video. So we're gonna get straight into it. All the products are pretty much self-explanatory. You need the hair, the crochet tool, an edge brush, of course, some hair clips. Man, those saved my life. A mirror. Please stick around for later in the video because something surprising really happened with this mirror. An olive oil mousse, some shine jam, edge booster, and a rat tool comb and a normal comb. So I learned that parting first before even starting the hairstyle actually had made the time go faster for doing this. So it only took me about 4 to 5 hours to finish the style, as opposed to the first time where it was like 6-8 hours. Yeah, so this is the part I was talking about. I broke the mirror, but thank the Lord that I had another mirror in case. But yeah, so I parted everything in the back. I have a really big head, you guys, so and then I continued to part in the front as well. I only did 3 parts on each side because I wanted more of some medium twist. I feel like last time I did this style I definitely had smaller squares, which probably was also the reason why it took so long, and I had somewhere to go like in the morning, so I needed to get this style done and over with. But I really liked how it came out, so I'm just continuing to put on the shine jam on the parts to hold it down. And yeah, so I'll just let you guys watch the rest of this. Here's most of my head already done in the back, and showing how to crochet in the curl into the square. So you take the tool, grab it onto the hair, and just slide it through under the rubber band. Make sure that you oil your rubber bands, by the way. I forgot to say that in the beginning, but do it. It helps. So I did struggle because, like I said, I can't see in the back. My head is so big. I'm utilizing all 3 mirrors in my room. Alright, so you take some shine jam and twist. Now, because my hair is very, very, very thick, I use a lot. I use a lot of shine jam. I don't recommend if you don't have very thick hair, but for mixed hair, I have African American and Asian mixed hair, and it's usually this thick. I have to use a lot of product on my hair. I'll just let you guys continue watching how I crochet with this.
I've been going on my own. I've been doing things. popping now, cause you take it back down. Pull up tonight, I might be whiskey. Funny stomach, forget the whiskey. But you still wanna get back with me. You tryna be the one to deal with. Don't got my phone, you're not in my phone. You miss the way, not the one chance. I live my life, don't need you with me. Yeah, yeah. So tell me what you need from me now. I know what you need to be now, cause I'm done with it now. No, I'm done with it now. Say, tell me what you need from me now. I know what you need to be now, cause I'm done with it now. No, I'm done with it now, now.
Tired of going out, scared of running into you. All of these whereabouts, what is a girl to do? Say no to everything I'm invited to, and I can't do that. I'll be in a section door, little baby, working on self-control, baby, no. Finna get anti-social on ya. Damn, you know I hate the club, but I came cause I know you show up. Maybe if I drank enough, I'll make my way over to you. Damn, you know I hate the club, but I came cause I knew you'd show up. Maybe if I drank enough, I'll make my way over to you. I hate the club. Your homegirls told me you would be here. Besides, you ain't the one to see here. It's a Saturday, shopping in LA, yeah, that's your shit. On the second floor with your pants down low, hanging off your hips. I walked out the section door, little baby, lost on my self-control, little baby, you wanna get anti-social, baby? We could head home, baby. Damn, you know I hate the club, but I came cause I knew you'd show up. Maybe if I drank enough, I'll make my way over to you. Damn, you know I hate the club, but I came cause I knew you'd show up. Maybe if I drank enough, I'll make my way over to you. I hate the club. Order another round and round and round. DJ saying my name, DJ shouting me out. Order another round and round and round. Drunk when I call you Monet, begging you to walk me out. Say you miss me, but I need proof. I came all this way to see you. Every word you say is see-through. You be lying, baby, me too. But have to be with you to treat you. Little tourist, let me feed you. So important, I still need you. Tired of going out.
So this is the finished look. It came out so good. I know the parts are a little off, but I personally don't care. I know parting personally, especially with natural hairstyles, and my big head. You kind of just got to be patient with it, and I'm still getting used to, you know, parting my own head. But now I'm doing my edges. There's no way to really explain how to do your edges. I feel like everybody has their own kind of ways that they like to do their edges. I personally love doing them wavy and connected. You know, comment below if I should do a edge video, you know, on different ways to do your edges and different ways on how I do my edges, you know. You can put up a little challenge on TikTok. So yeah, I really loved how this came out. This is so nice. So I'm putting on the mousse for the last step, and thank you guys so much for watching this video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Give me any other hairstyles you think I should try. I'm new here on natural hair YouTube, so you know, let me know. Follow me on TikTok, follow me on Instagram as well, and check out my blogs if you want to get to know me more. And thank you guys so much. I'll see you guys soon.